Hello student, now we are going to discuss about geography paper first, that is GG 401 human geography. Now we have to study about unit number 3. It is about population. In this unit we have to discuss about the subtopic, that is world's population distribution. The population of the world is not uniformly distributed. The density is considered as a base of study of distribution of population. Density of population is expressed as the number of persons per unit area or square kilometer. लोकसंख्येचे जागतिक वितरण. लोकसंख्येचे जागतिक वितरण म्हणजेच पृथ्वीवरील लोकांचे झालेले विभाजन. लोकसंख्येचे जागतिक वितरण असमान आहे. जगातील सुमारे 50% लोकसंख्या जगाच्या केवळ 5% भूभागावर केंद्रित आहे. तसेच जगामध्ये काही प्रदेश अतिदाट लोकवस्तीचे आहेत. आशिया खंडात जगातील सुमारे 60% लोकसंख्या, तर ओशनिया खंडात सुमारे 0.5% लोकसंख्या राहते. तसेच उत्तर गोलार्धात जगातील सुमारे 80% लोकसंख्या आहे, तर दक्षिण गोलार्धात जगातील 20% लोकसंख्या वास्तव्यास आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे जगातील सुमारे 20° उत्तर ते 60° उत्तर अक्षवृत्तात जवळजवळ 70% जागतिक लोकसंख्या राहते. यावरून आपल्याला असे लक्षात येते की जगाची लोकसंख्या ही विषम स्वरूपात वितरित झालेली आहे. लोकसंख्येचे वितरण करण्यासाठी सामान्यपणे भौगोलिक वितरण तसेच लोकसंख्येचे घनतेनुसार वितरण या बाबी लक्षात घेण्यात येतात. As the population of the world is not uniformly distributed, there are some areas of the world which are almost uninhabited, while other areas have high concentration of population. The regions of Himalayan mountain, Antarctica, and several other isolated islands of the world, where the area is uninhabited. Density of population is expressed in terms of persons per square kilometer. The population distribution has a change in space and time. Nearly half of the world population is concentrated on just 5% of the land, while about 33% land area is uninhabited. Some areas of the world are densely populated while others are underpopulated. The density is considered as a base of study of a distribution of population. The average density of world's population is 50 persons per square kilometer. On the basis of variations in the density of population, the world is divided into three density areas. There are four areas in the world where the average density of population is more than 100 persons per square kilometer. These areas are East Asia, South Asia, Northwest Europe, and Eastern North America. Asia, with a density of 129.3 persons per square kilometer, is the most densely populated continent in the world. Europe, the second, with about 33.9 persons per square kilometer. Africa is a third by about 32 persons per square kilometer. The world is divided into some areas on the basis of density of population. Uh, these areas are densely populated areas, moderately populated areas, and sparsely populated areas. Densely populated areas. The density of population more than 200 persons per square kilometer. The densely populated areas are found where climatic conditions are quite favorable, high production of food, or where commercial activities are developed. These regions are East Asia, South Asia, Northwest Europe, Eastern North America. जगातील दाट लोकवस्तीचे प्रदेश. जगातील दाट लोक वस्तीच्या प्रदेशांमध्ये प्रामुख्याने पूर्व आशिया, दक्षिण आफ्रिका, दक्षिण एशिया. जगातील दाट लोकवस्तीच्या प्रदेशामध्ये पूर्व आशिया, दक्षिण आशिया, पश्चिम युरोप, उत्तर अमेरिकेची पूर्व किनारपट्टी या विभागांचा समावेश होतो. Here, the regions like East Asia, which includes China, Japan, Taiwan, South Korea. Then South Asia, here the inclusion of India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Then Northwest Europe, it includes UK, France, Germany, Netherlands, Poland, Ireland, Spain, Portugal, Denmark, and Italy. Then Eastern North America, here Northeast United States and Southeast Canada. East and South Asian countries have dense population due to ideal climatic conditions for cultivation of different crops, monsoon climate, warm climate, vast plains, alluvial soils, cheap labor force, etc. These factors are available so that there is a high concentration of population. The social and cultural factors like early marriages, large family size, etc. factors are responsible for dense population. In these regions, energetic and healthy climate, cool temperature, rich mineral resources, industrial and transportation development causes thick population in UK, France, Spain, Portugal, Ireland, Germany, Belgium, etc. countries. Then the eastern North America include southeastern part of Canada and northeastern part of United States of America. The density of region is more than 300 persons per square kilometer. Thicker concentration of population is due to industrial belt running from Chicago to New York. There are some dense population regions, that is uh, Java, Nile Valley in Egypt, Brazil, Venezuela, Argentina, etc. Then the moderately populated areas. This includes regions which are having a population density from 200 to 500 persons per square kilometer. It is a transition region between dense and sparsely populated areas. It is a region of agricultural belt and a beginning of industrial development. जगातील मध्यम लोकवस्तीचा प्रदेश हा प्रामुख्याने शेती व्यवसाय प्रमुख असलेला व उद्योग धंद्यांचा विकास सुरू होत असलेला असा विभाग आहे. It is the region of agricultural belt and beginning of industrial development. These areas are found in Asia, Europe, and eastern part of USA. Central USA, Central China, USSR, tropical Western Africa, Deccan Plateau of India. Majority of working population is engaged in a seasonal agriculture and livestock activities. In India, areas like Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, and northeastern states have moderate density of population. Some Asian countries like Burma, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia have moderate density of population where majority of people are dependent on seasonal agriculture. Then sparsely populated areas. Over 70% of the land surface is sparsely populated. Some regions are sparsely populated where density of population is less than 50 persons per square kilometer. विरळ लोकवस्तीचे प्रदेश. यात मानवी जीवनासाठी व व्यवसायासाठी तेथील भौगोलिक व प्राकृतिक परिस्थिती अनुकूल नसल्यामुळे लोकसंख्या अतिशय कमी किंवा काही प्रदेश मानवरहित आहे. या प्रदेशांमध्ये अतिशीत प्रदेश, उष्ण वाळवंटी प्रदेश, विषुववृत्तीय अरण्यांचा प्रदेश, पर्वतीय प्रदेश इत्यादींचा समावेश होतो. हॉट डेझर्ट्स, कोल्ड डेझर्ट्स, tropical rainforest, mountainous regions, etc. are included in these regions. Hot deserts. The deficiency and non-availability of water is responsible for sparsely distribution of population in arid lands, means in deserted lands. In these regions, the rate of evaporation is higher than precipitation, and population is very low. The Sahara region of North Africa, Kalahari of South Africa, Atacama of South America, California and Arizona of North America, etc. The Great Australian Desert, Saudi Arabian Desert, and Third Desert of India are sparsely populated regions. These regions have low rainfall. It is the rainfall is very scanty. Problems of drinking water, hence, these areas are thinly populated. The deserts are almost inhabited or sparsely populated by nomadic hunters, gatherers, etc. For the example, Bushmen of Kalahari, Badawnis of Arab. Then cold deserts. It is the second most sparsely populated region. Extreme cold conditions in Arctic and Antarctic continents, the regions are severe cold, which winters are long. North Canada, Greenland, Alaska, Northern Europe, North Siberia, and Mongolia have very less population. The Antarctica is an zero population. Antarctica is an zero population density per square kilometer in terms of permanent inhabitants. In these regions, winters are dreaded and gloomy. Hence, agriculture and other activities are not possible. Tundra regions of Arctic, the hunting and fishing people live only and are in a few number. Then tropical rainforest region. These are low-lying areas on both sides of equator between 5 degree north and south latitudes. Humidity and rainfall remain high, and mean monthly temperatures are about 30 degrees centigrade. This region is covered by dense forest. The Amazon basin, the Congo basin, the islands of Southeast Asia, the hot humid climate is quite favorable for evergreen forest, but it leads to increase the number of insects, mosquitoes, snakes, etc. are harmful for human habitation. Then mountainous regions. These regions are thinly populated. The population becomes sparse with altitude in Himalayas, Alps, Rockies, and Andes. At a height of about 2,500 meters, are almost uninhabited. The population is not concentrated. Mountainous regions have sparse population due to steep slope, thick forest, etc. These regions are unfavorable for human settlements. The population of the world, the distribution of population of the world is uneven. Like the Asia, the continent of Asia accounts for about 59%, 59.69% of world's population, while Australia accounts for about 0.5% world's population. In this way, the distribution of population in the world is uneven. The next will be continued during the next period. Thank you.